Alright, Videorecon Don here, and I ordered my DJI drone. It's an Air 2 with the entire kit, so it's got the Fly More kit and the protection plan. So I'm going to open that up and do a little unboxing because it's a fun and exciting toy slash moneymaker. So let's get started. Alright, so I got my drone here in a box. We're going to open this bad boy up, and the only thing I could find offhand was a little pair of kids' scissors, so it should work for this. Let's open up this UPS box, shall we? And inside, we've got our Air 2 Fly More combo. Awesome. Let's get rid of that box. Okay, I just trimmed my fingernails, so I don't know how easy this shrink wrap's gonna be to take off, but yeah, I'll need the scissors because that is not gonna work. And I am one of those kind of people that when I get something expensive that's especially shrink wrapped or whatever, I like to be careful with how I open it and unwrap it. Alright. This thing weighs a ton, by the way. I think it must have weighed like 12 pounds altogether. Alright, so this is the box. Where's the seal? Alright, gonna cut the seal open. Okay. Voila! Slide this guy off. And what's inside? So, here we have the case. Ooh, it has the drone inside already. And then we have this little box here. It's probably cords and things like that. Set that aside. So this case is pretty nice. We've got, this is the kind of stuff I rip off. Whoa, shaky desk. And this is just warranty information in like 20 languages. So, let's unzip this. Alright, so here's the drone. Mavic Air 2. Yada yada. This is the battery charger, so it charges 3 batteries at a time, or the Fly More combo. This look what we got. We got battery number 1. Power cord, power block. Battery number 2. Battery number 3 is on the drone, I think. Ooh. This is the controller. So I know this pops out and you put your phone right there. Those cushions. Okay, that's all that. And now we got this guy. So this these are all our propellers. So I'm gonna leave them wrapped until I read the instructions and really get this put together. Those are all the extra propellers. Another pack of propellers. So this is B and this is labeled A. Got a start guide, and this is the Fly More combo instructions. Just a couple of things to note. So the battery does come out and I have to activate the battery by charging it. So I took the third battery out of the drone. And also I noticed that these rear propellers, they're labeled B, and the front propellers, they're labeled A. So that's how those propellers work. Anyway, I'm gonna have fun with this. I'm gonna get it charging and then I'll get back with you guys when we have more.